Support us by subscribing, ring the notification bell, press all, and thumbs up. Thank you.
So could you please state your name, rank, and job title?
I'm Senior Airman Dewitt with the Eglin Air Force Base Honor Guard.
And what is it that you're doing here?
We are unfolding the flag so we can fold it. It's called J-pop.
Is there a particular way to unfold the flag?
You take 2 steps back so there's room for you to unfold, and then you unfold the 2 stripes.
How do you let each other know to move on to the next part of the sequence?
So MPB, which is the non-commissioned officer of the pallbearers, is going to signal by blinking at me, and then that means it's time for the next part of the sequence.
So in this position here, what is this?
This is called tabletop, and whenever taps is playing, this is the cue to stand at tabletop, and whenever it's over, we're going to tell the family they're able to sit down now.
Did you hold tabletop for a long time?
Roughly like 1.5 minutes for the playing of taps.
And is there a particular way to fold the flag?
So when you get to the flat part of the flag, you're going to fold across to the edge of the flag and then dress it, and then you fold again, and whenever you get to the flat part again, you're taking 2 more steps.
What's the purpose of dressing the flag?
Respect for the family and the flag and what it means.
What are you doing on this part?
So MPB is going to tuck the flag and get it as best as possible to hide the most of the red.
And what is it you're doing here?
I'm raccooning the flag so I can make sure there is no red showing.
Why do we not want red showing?
So red showing would be disrespectful to the family and the flag. So you want it all blue.
And what is that part called?
Handing the flag off to the MPB.